Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing Night Shield. So Night Shield is a new Beyblade from Beyblade X. So it is 3-80N, and then it's BX-04. And then in the back we can see that the layer is Night Shield, and the disc is 3-80, and then our tip would be our tip, I don't know the name, sorry about that. And then we have a launcher. So let's unbox this. So here we have it, the box and the inside. So let's So here we are with the Beyblade. So here we have a manual that I don't think we need. So we got that. So here we have the Beyblade parts, and let me open these quickly. So here we have the, not sure, but here we have 3-80. So we have 3-80 right there. And then here we have the ratchet, I think. And then the layer is gonna be Night Shield, which I'm trying to take. So this is the layer Night Shield. And then the assembly part, I think, would be to so we'll be right back after putting this together. So here we have the Beyblade assembled, and we somehow, I was just looking on how to put this together, because this is actually my first time opening up Beyblade X and trying it out. So we have it, and now let's go into the launcher, because I've been really excited to see how the launcher looks for Beyblade X. So yeah, let's switch right to the launcher. Hey guys, here we are with our Beyblade X launcher. So this is, I think, the launching thing, and this is the ripcord. So here we have the ripcord. It looks a bit kind of like the Pro Series Beyblade ripcord. And then this sorry about that. And here we have our launcher. So, and I think the actual Beyblade, like before we had Beyblade X, I mean just normal Beyblade, we had the just like 2 for, but now for Beyblade X they put 3, and then here we have the launcher. So that's really it. So overall, I feel like this Beyblade's really good, and I'm actually happy that I chose this, because I feel like Night Shield is a really good thing. So I feel like maybe you should buy this, check it out. It's really good. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to smash the subscribe button and like the video. It really helps me out. And soon I'll make a Beyblade battling with this and another Beyblade. So stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.